Hello everyone, welcome to another video from Dom's Packet Lab. My name is Dominic. In today's video, we're going to be tackling another network troubleshooting scenario. As you can see here on the screen, we have two routers connected to each other, router 0 and router 1. And then we have two PCs connected to each of them. Well, one PC connected to router 0 and then another PC connected to router 1. And this week's lesson or project, we're going to be focusing on static routing. So that's how we're going to be resolving this. And to this video, obviously, I'm going to show you how what I've learned so far for static routing. So in this task, we have this is how we're gonna. This is our issue. Configure the right subnet IP on both PCs. Ensure each PC can ping the router connected to it. Ensure both routers can ping each other. And then at the end, PC1 right here should be able to ping PC2. All right. So let's begin. First things first is that I just want to make sure that PC1 or PC0 in this case. Let's see if it's actually not able to ping PC1. Try that, right? Ping. And well, this one here should be 2, right? PC1 IP address should be it should be 192.168.0.100.2, right? Because the 1 is the gateway. So let's try that. 68.100. And yep, that's not gonna work. Then let's obviously see if PC0 can ping router 1. Let's try that. So that should be ping 192.168.100, right? That 1. Boom. Let's see here. There's timeout. Which makes sense because that, not communicating to this one here. All right, so that's our issue there, is that this PC here is not able to communicate to this because this PC is not able to communicate to this. So then, oops. Let's see if router 0 here is configured right. Let's do enable config t do show run. All right, so interface gigabit internet 000 has the 192.168.0.1 the /24, which makes sense because this is the network for that, right? And then the interface gigabit internet 001 has a 10.10.10.1 and it has a /30, which makes sense for this network. So router 0 is configured right. So let's see if PC0 is set up right. We can see that PC0 doesn't have gateway registered to it. So that means this will be 192. Let's try that first. Let's see So actually, let's see if this PC0 is able to ping router 0. That should be 192, right? 168.0.1. Should be able to if it's connected right. Or configured right. It's not connecting, which means that PC0 is not communicating right to router 0. So let's exit that. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. I meant to go to this one here, interface, and we have IP address. This should be 192, right? 168.0.2. Subnet mask should be /24. That is correct. And then default gateway should be 192.168.0.1. All right. Yep. So then let's try to see if we can ping router 0. Boom. We're able to. All right. So in theory, this right here, well, not theory, technically, this one PC here is now communicating to this one. So the next point is see if this router here is communicating to router 1. And here, boom. Let's just name it router 0. Right, host name 0. Boom. See. You can see here 10.1. So if the interface gigabit internet 001 has the 1 here, the router 1 should have the 10.10.10.2 then, right? See, we're able to do that. It's not working. Let's see why that is. Let's go to router 1 and let's name it first. Host name router 1, right? And we shall run. Boom. Oh, sorry. Gotta go to that first and then do show run. Okay, let's see 000. Yeah, it's the 192.168.0.100.1. Should make sense from here. 255.255.255. That's /24, and then the 01. There's no IP address. That makes sense that this one is not communicating with this one. So let's do that. Let's do enter gigabit. Enter. That would be 1, right? The IP address. Giving an IP address. 10.10.10.2, right? Because 1 was the router 0. And then the subnet mask should be 30. So it should be /30, I meant. So 255.255.255.252. Well, And then just double check that. Oh, I don't know why I exited. I should have or ended it. I should have just done exit big T. Right, do show run. There we go. So now let's see if router 0 can now ping it. There you go. Let's try that one more time. Just 80%. There we go. So this one, router 0, router 1 is now configured right. They are communicating to each other. Let's see if PC1 is communicating to router 1. We saw earlier here we have 92.1, so the PC1 should have that .2. Right, let's go here, PC1. Let's just see if we can actually ping it. 192.168.100.1. And it is not working. See if that is. Maybe the same thing as PC0. So gateway here should be 168.100.1, right? IP address for this PC should be 192. Oops, that's not 192.168.100.2. Subnet mask. That's correct. Let's try that again. Now it is working. Perfect. So the next question is, so we got number 2 right. So each PC can ping the router connected to it. We're able to do that now, right? And then we're also able to configure. We configured the right subnet IP on both PCs /24 and ensure both routers can ping each other. Right? Then let's see if PC1, or I guess PC0, is able to ping PC1. Let's try that. Because this is right. We were able to do this. We're able to do this. We're able to do this. Right? Let's see if PC0 is able to ping PC1. Let's go command prompt, right? Let's do ping 192.168.100, right? That 2. Destination host unreachable. Makes sense because we will need a static route for these 2 routers to communicate. For us to communicate that, we're gonna have to go to both routers and set up static routing. So let's do enable config T, right? We have config T, and then now we have IP route. To do IP route, we're gonna have to do a destination network. Here we are trying to go to 192.168.100, right? 0. Subnet mask for that is 255.255.0. And then the next hop address, which will be 10.10.10.2. Boom. Now, since we did this on router 0, we're gonna have to do it on router 1. Boom. Then let's do router 1 will be IP route, right? destination network would be 992.168.0.0, 255.255.255.0, and then the next hop is this one here, which is 192, right? 168.0.1. Boom. So now let's see. We're able to ping PC1 from PC0. Now that we have configured the static routing on both routers. Oops, where am I going? Desktop, sorry. Let's try that again. There's timeout. That's okay. That'll be 2, right? Correct. Before we were able, it was showing us destination host unreachable, right? But now it says rest timeout. Let's try that one more time. Zero. 5.10.10.10.1. Right, let's do the IP route. 10.10.1. That's correct. Yeah, so we're trying to go to this one here. 24 to this is router 0. Let's see this one here. So IP route. Oh. Did I not? They're not figure that? Why is it not here? Why is the static? The one that we did is not here. Let's try that again. Big T, right? Do IP route 92168.0.0, right? 255.255.0. 192.168.0.1. And that's not set. 7. Local 32. Local 32. 30 here. Okay. Is that right? Oh. Gateway 2. Oh, maybe I did it wrong because it should be and that one. Big T, right? Terminal. Do IP route, right, to 168, right? 0.0 255.0, right? And then next hop will be try this one. Now check. Now let's see to okay, cool. Now it's shown. Let's see if this one works. There we go. I made a mistake. I thought that it was 0.1, the 192.168.0.0.0.1 is the next hop. It should have been 10.10.10.1. So my apologies about that. But so now we go back to this one here. We were able to ping this PC to this PC by doing the static routing on both routers, and at the end I was able to mistake, but I was able to figure out which one was the wrong one and corrected it. So thanks for watching. See you guys for the next one. Bye bye.